How to view people profile anonymously on LinkedIn. So probably you have an interview or you want to stalk on someone on LinkedIn, or you just want to view people profile without them knowing. This is how to do it. So normally if you check your LinkedIn profile publicly and you have not activated certain settings before, it will show that you view such profile. Definitely you have such notification previously. So and so person viewed your profile. So this is how to do it. If you want to view your profile anonymously, all you need to do is to go either with the app or on the phone. Go to your profile, open the LinkedIn app, go to settings, then you go to visibility, then you go to profile viewing options. So look at these options here. This is what my default mode is. This is what others. So you click on your name and headline. This is what people will see when they view your profile. When you view their profile, like you're checking through someone LinkedIn profile, you clicked on it. This is what the person will say. So when you click on private profile characteristics, just as someone at so and so university or something that's spectacular to your headline. Then private mode, this is a chief of it all. So just click on the private mode. The private mode means that you are anonymous, they don't know. So this is good for those who are going for an interview. You want to check who is the HR of a company, or who is the boss, who is the director, or you are doing background check on a staff and you don't want them to or on a potential candidate, you don't want them to know that you are running background checks. So this is a good feature. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share. This is afomicworld. Thanks for watching.